Hello, everyone. My name is Michael Hernandez from Bow River Law. We're an employment firm here in Calgary, Alberta. And today I'm going to be answering the question, what is professional regulation in the employment context? So professional regulation refers to the standards and requirements set out by a regulatory body that governs specific professions. So these regulations ensure that professionals meet certain standards of competence and conduct. And it's all really about maintaining quality and public trust in various fields. So for example, in fields like medicine, including nurses and doctors, law, engineering, and accounting, just to name a few, professionals must adhere to strict guidelines established by the regulatory body. Now, these guidelines include the requirement to obtain and maintain necessary qualifications and adhering to ethical standards. The specific regulatory body, such as a medical college or the law society, would govern the professionals and seek to enforce or uphold these standards. Now, in the employment context, professionals are often governed both by their regulatory body, such as the law society, and an employment contract with their specific employer. So, for example, I work for Bow River Law, but I'm also a professional that is regulated by the Law Society of Alberta. The regulatory body ensures that employees, even though they are working for specific employers, nonetheless possess the right qualifications and adhere to industry-specific standards. Now, employees and employers both must ensure that their staff comply with these regulations. So employees must ensure that they comply with the regulations, and employers must ensure that their employees are complying. Now, non-compliance can lead to serious consequences. If a professional has been accused of breaching their professional standards, their regulatory body may launch an investigation proceeding against them, often alleging that they have committed something called unprofessional conduct. Now, the specific complaints against the professionals often come from members of the public or from the employer itself. Now, as a professional, you do have a right to defend yourself against these allegations. And if you have been notified from your regulatory body about such a complaint, we recommend that you seek out legal advice to consider your options.